everybody, in today's video we're going to have a look at the most simple perspective drawing, and that is having all lines going towards one vanishing point in the center. So to do this nice bigger piece of artwork, I'm taking an A3 piece of paper this time, and I'd like to make a square. So I'm going to take one corner and line that up with the opposite edge. I will fold it, and then that way I can cut along that fold line to make a square. Alright, I'm also going to fold that the other way, just so that I can find that beautiful center to my page straight away. Alright, and I'm going to draw my very first line to that focal point, down that diagonal to the center. Just have to do it in two parts to make my ruler fit. And the same on the other side. From the diagonal to my focal point on each of those diagonals. Okay, then you need to think ahead a little bit with this one, and think ahead to what colours you might use to colour in your picture. Now, on this one I decided to use a rainbow, so therefore I've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, got an indigo colour, and then I've chosen to just use pink instead of violet to come back around into my rainbow. So that means I've got 7 different colours. So I need to make sure that my pattern will be able to fit a multiple of 7. That way I don't end up with any spots where I suddenly have it going red, orange, yellow right next to each other or something like that. So that's why you have to think ahead. So if your pattern might only have 5 colours that you want to do, then you need to make sure that in this next step yours will fit a multiple of 5. So a little bit of maths coming into drawing. Alright, so I'm going to measure across that distance between my 2 diagonal lines. And if I go right to the edge of the page, I'm getting somewhere around almost 29.5 centimetres. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just bring my ruler down until I can fit a nice multiple of 7 in this case. So that would be where it would be reaching 28. And I could make my lines all 2 centimetres apart. Now, for example, if you want to do, say 6, then I would slide it down until we're sitting at 24. And again, you could then make them all 2 centimetres apart, because that's a nice multiple of 6 there. And likewise, if we want to go to 5, a multiple of 5, you could go back up to, get my ruler in the right spot, to 25 across. So, no, sorry, that wouldn't work, because I would end up not with 2 centimetres. I would have to go to 20. And then I could go 2, 4, 6, 8, and I'd have enough in the pattern. Okay, but for my picture, to show you the same as what I've drawn, I've gone with 28. So I would just put in my marks every 2 centimetres across there, so that I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then none of mine are going to repeat that way. And then simply all we do is draw those lines down to that focal point. All the way around. Okay. I'll just turn it this way and I will show you what it might look like with using 6 colours, you'll see then obviously the actual size of the slices will get a bit a little bit wider each time. Okay, so then we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. Okay, and then I just find that point between the dot and the edge of my page. And go from there. Now, of course, if I only wanted to use 3 colours, this measurement would work as well. Because 3 is half of 6. So my colours will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so then when you've finished and done all your beautiful colouring in, which I won't bore you with on this video, we've now got a lovely vanishing point into the centre. So it sort of feels as if it's getting sucked down into a bit of a black hole. Now to this picture today, I'm going to add a few 3-dimensional circles to really create even more of that black hole kind of effect, like things are getting sucked down into it. Now to draw these circles, you can check out the link in the comments below this video because I have got a video on how to draw these as well. But I would just place, so that one's slightly bigger, so put these ones closer to the center, so this one looks as if it is sitting further out, and we would see these shapes getting sucked down into that little void in the middle. Alright, hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel as well. See you next time.